everyone, today I'm going to paint something just a little bit different, but if you want to follow along with a rock, try Happy Dotting Company's 5.5-inch mold. I know that stone will work on this just perfect. I got this round wooden box at Hobby Lobby. It says that it's 5.11 inches across and about 1.5 inches tall. I thought it was super cute and I had a request to do something on wood. I'm going to put a link down below for this and everything I use in the video, so just enjoy. The first thing I'm going to do is take a little piece of sandpaper and I am going to give this a good once over. I'm going to peel that label off the back. If anything doesn't come off, I'm going to sand it off too. And then I'm going to start painting it. I'm going to paint the entire thing black and then I'm going to paint the inside gold, of course. Check it out. Oh, I think that's just super pretty. All right, I'm gonna get rid of the bottom and start putting my guidelines on this lid. I'm gonna use my center finder that you guys saw in my short video. Let's find the center of this lid. This center finder makes it so easy to find the center. Y'all know I stink at eyeballing it, so I really needed this. Okay, let me get out my 4.5-inch flexible stencil from Happy Dotting Company, and I'm gonna get these guidelines on here so that we can get to painting. But you know, there's one last step I've gotta do. I've gotta get a 1 centimeter circle in the middle so I can get my first dot perfectly centered. I also put a little piece of tape in between this lid and my plastic spinny thing. That way I don't slide it off. Y'all, let's get to painting. While I was in the hobby store, I found this quilling tool. I put an eraser on the end I'll never use so I don't stab myself with it. I am gonna give it a shot at using it for fine details. I'll put a link down below for this because I think it's pretty cool. Oh, y'all, didn't this turn out just so pretty? I think it would look so pretty on your dresser with all your little treasures or jewelry in it. It would be gorgeous. I am going to link everything I use down below. Lots of videos like my resin video. I resin this just like my rocks. While you're down there, check out memberships. I want to thank all the new members that signed up in January. Y'all, my cup runneth over. You guys have tickled me so much with this. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. All right, go check out those memberships. Dot the like button, hit subscribe, do all those things that help me out. You guys are really carrying me. I thank you so much. Check out this video right here, and until next time, rock on.